Today we're going to be discussing how to resell your domains. Now, how to find a good domains which has a tons of traffic and pitch it to SaaS founders. I'm going to show you also how to prompt in a Hostinger to get SaaS level domain. Okay, so with that being said, I'm inside my SEMrush, and here what I want to do is go to the keyword overview or keyword magic tool. Now once you're inside keyword magic tool, the link will be in the description to all those tools which I'm gonna use in this video to showcase. So here you want to type in whatever niche you have or whatever so as a SaaS level domains, right? So think about this. What is a SaaS, software as a service? Like what keywords does a SaaS level domains have? Example, generators, right? So generators. So I can go with this keyword, or I can also go with tool. Okay, so let's just go with the tool, and let's just be in US or whatever. It doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter whatever country you. So let's just simply type in a search. Now once you type in a search, and here you're gonna see all these keywords, right? So of course it's a free trial. Okay, now here what you should do is, okay guys, what you want to do is you want to filter the intent by removing the navigation. You only want informational, commercial, transactional, maybe not even commercial and transactional. You just want the informational. Now once I do that, you will find a tool which our people are looking for, right? Generate tools, like we have right here, paraphrasing tool, snipping tool. Okay, and then we have this is a transactional tool, so we don't want that. So let us go with the paraphrase tool. Okay, now I'm just gonna copy this keyword. So let's just copy this keyword and go to the hostinger.com. Once you're inside hostinger.com, you want to go to the services and go here to domain name search and go to the AI domain generator, and here you want to give in the keyword. So let me just remove this thing. Okay, paraphrase tool. Let's just type in a prompt. I want domain name based on paraphrase tool, and I need it in .com. Okay, and simply click on generate. Now the .com, .org, .net, .io, .ai, these are top level domains. Only go for top level domains. Okay, .org, As you can see, we have got some of the domain names recommendations right here. ParaphrasePro.com, QuickParaphrase.com, ParaphraseGenius.com, ParaphraseExpert.com. Now this is a SaaS level domain, except there's a double E right here, so I don't want to go for it. ParaphraseYourText.com. This is a SaaS level domain. Now once you find a SaaS level domain, keep in mind, once you find SaaS level domain, come here, go back to SEMrush and see if it has, go to domain overview and see back and forth. You need to research, because you need to know if there is any bad paid backlinks or people who brought this domain previously. They did something with the domain, or maybe they did the spam or not. You need to spam check. You can use any tool. You just type in a Google spam checker, domain spam checker. A couple of tools show up, and you can check on that. Not only SEMrush. Okay, you can use any other tool. But yeah, as of now, it's not showing any data. It doesn't have any paid search traffic or backlinks or auto score. So it's good. It's all good. Once you know it's good, the domain is good and doesn't have any history, you are going to buy this. Okay, so it's just $30 a year. $30 a year. Okay, so what you want to do is, once you get a domain, what you need to write blog articles. Okay, so if you want to know how to write blog articles, I made a complete video. You can click this I button. So I made a complete video, or I will leave a link in the description. 1 hour tutorial how to write blog articles on how to set up your domain and everything. You can check that out. But yeah, to automate this process, what we're going to do is we're going to use complete AI automation auto bloggers, okay, which is a Auto AI SEO writer. Now the link will be in the description. Make sure you check that out. It's free for a couple of generations. You can check that out. Now what it does is you simply have to go here and type in a keyword. So what keywords does a paraphrase text.com use? Okay, now let me just copy this keyword and put it right here, and let me separate this, paraphrase your text, and click add keyword. Once you click on add keyword, you're gonna take me to the waiting list, and inside the waiting list I can see where, okay, at the end, okay, so it will stack everything. Now simply click on generate article, and that's it. Under a minute, your article is being generated using AI. Now, why is it important? Because in order to sell your SaaS level domain, you need to have some kind of traffic and authority. You need to increase the authority. Okay, people, SaaS founders, they don't really, buy just like that. Okay, they will check everything, every analytics, every report, and what you want to do is you want to increase the authority and organic search traffic. You simply write articles, but we don't want to waste our time. We simply want to sell it fast. We want to ship it fast. So how we do that? We're going to use AI SEO writers, which are completely trained on best of the best AI SEO articles. So yeah, so if I show you one of the articles, so let me just, it's still generating. All right, we just got the entire AI generated article. Now is simply click on this and it's going to take you to the next page. How to effectively paraphrase your text for better clarity and originality. Now you can see this is an entire article, SEO optimized article generated by Arvow AI SEO writer, previously called Journalist AI. Now you can see all this, and if I go into, like, this is like over 2000 words. Now if I go down, and you can see also videos embedded right here, that's a nice one. And if I scroll down a little bit, you can also see the FAQs, which are really important when it comes to improving search SERP rankings, okay, and also getting inside AI overviews. And you have a nice little conclusion and AI generated images, and also meta description to get clicks with the impressions, right? So yeah, so this is the thing. And you can also have AI assistant feature right here. You can make it like this. AI has editing access to the AI SEO article, and if I ask it to make it more engaging, it will do that. Simplify reading level, it does that. Add more FAQs, so whatever you want, it will does that. Not only that, if I select this thing, it will ask me a couple of the prompts to make it longer, shorter, make list, make table, rewrite, simplify, and also add keywords. Like if I want to add any other keywords, and also add external links. Not only that, you can also run a campaigns, auto blogging and every single thing. So if I go to the integrations and show you what are the supporting softwares it does, you can also integrate with Blogger, Ghost, Shopify, including custom APIs and WordPress and everything. Okay, so you'll get a WordPress plugin itself. So our support team is really good and will help you like set it up and every single thing. And we also made a tutorials on how to do that. If you click on one of these, right, if you click on Shopify, and if right there you have documentation and also watch video tutorial, and you can completely watch that and follow the step-by-step guide and completely set it up. Now once you do that, once you start seeing initial traffic, what you want to do is go to the Twitter. Now once you go to the Twitter, you simply have to type in SaaS founder and search filter with the people, and these are all your potential leads to pitch your domain. Just message them, hey, are you interested in acquiring this domain name called paraphraseyourtext.com? That's it. Boom. Just like that. If they're interested, they're gonna pay you a couple of 10x whatever the domain you have brought, whatever the price you have brought, and 20x you can bid. You can also go to the GoDaddy domain resell. So yeah, if you go to the godaddy.com, and here if you click on these domain names, and you can make your domains auction, get your uprise domain value. So if I go to the uprise domain value and enter, and if you go to a couple of websites which estimates your domain value, and here you can see paraphraseyourtext.com is estimated price at $100. So you just made 5x profit right here by simply purchasing your paraphrase.com and selling it to someone else. You can also make it an auction and take it up to $500. With that being said, there'll be a link in the description. Check that out. And also, if you're interested on how to write your SEO blog articles, 1 hour tutorial, watch this video, click this video on the screen.